Okay, class. Today is a very cold day. What's this? Ha ha. Here's a see. Why are you joking? That's right. Police car. It's not funny. I just see. I just see. I just see. See. I don't understand. I can't believe it. I just believe it. It is 100. You just have 2 hours. It is 90. You just have 2 hours. It's 80. You just have 2 hours. It's 70. You just have 2 hours. It's 60. You just have 2 hours. And 50. You just have 2 hours. 40. You just have 2 hours. It's 30. You just have 2 hours. It's 20. You just have 2 hours. It's 10. You just have 2 hours. It's 0. Police car is not funny. Here it is. Yay! I just said 100. Congratulations, Pepsi. I guess on 3 weeks. Go to principal office right now. Yay! I got it. It's 90. Good job, Yoshi. You're the best. Go to the principal office right now. Yes, I get it. I get an 80. Good job, door and boots. You're the best. Go to the principal office right now. Yes, I did the Sandy. Good job, Miss Peggy. Go to the principal office right now. Oh no, I did this is 60. I saw we in the pool. I did 25 days. Go to the principal office right now. Oh no, I just said 50. I was like, 你好, Thailand. 20 days. Go to the principal office right now. Oh no, I did 40. I'm sorry, Garfield. This is the 20 weeks. Go to the principal office right now. Oh no, I see. On the 30. I was like, team with the draw. 3 weeks. Go to the principal office right now. Oh no, I did 20. That's right, Godzilla. 25 days. Go to the principal office right now. Oh no, and a 10. That's right, Coca-Cola. 25 days. Go to the principal office right now. um, 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 I got 0. Can please add another chance? Absolutely not. Police car. You do the stir ever see the red, white, blue, and there's a siren, red, white, blue siren, and the siren, and go to school. You guess the damage to go to school. Go to the principal office right now and stop crying and soft breath. Wow! Police car, why do today? I gotta have the 0. Police car, why do they? Oh. Police car, I can't believe it. I guess the Debbie could go to school. Police car, you grounded. Goes police. Go guess the Debbie to go to school. Go home now. Go to Daddy Shark. Wow! Police car, I can't believe it. How does see? I guess the Debbie to go to school. I do the red white blue siren. That's right. You grounded. Go to room right now.